Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We're talking about best-selling rank status and kind of how that happens, and I want to share that with you. Let's dive in. And I have an announcement. Look what happened yesterday. We crossed $100,000 in sales in books for Amazon ads. And this is really exciting. I've been running Amazon ads for 16 months. So this was a really exciting milestone. 18 million impressions. Impressions is how many times your books have been seen by customers. And I call impressions like free billboards because on the Amazon ads platform, you don't pay for impressions. That's not the same on Facebook ads. So I was really excited to learn that and learn ads. And I have created multiple courses for my programs about ads because they have changed the game for me. So, anyways, I wanted to share that win with you so you know what's possible when you get started on your journey with ads. All right, so best-selling book. Amazon determines bestseller status within each book subcategory. This is good news because there is over 1.5 million books that are published on Amazon every year. So to be able to have a chance to get a bestseller status is always nice that it's done by subcategory. And subcategory means books, and then there are a plethora of different type of books, right? Like education, children, learning, parenting. Like in subcategories, inside of those categories, you can get that status. A book that makes the most sales in a specific category is branded a bestseller. Amazon tells us a little bit about this, but not in detail, because you can actually get bestseller status within an hour because they update hourly. Okay. I wonder if it's even sooner. I need to do research on that because there's a lot of different rumors, but I know hourly is a good basis to go off of. So if you're launching a book, and you get a bunch of your email list and your friends and your people to do that activity in between that time frame, it always helps. That's what I did with one of my books, the authenticity guide that I wrote for my personal brand in December, the whole reason I found KDP, and I was able to get a bestseller tag. Amazon gives the highest selling book in each category an orange #1 bestseller tag that is visible on the listing page in search and other pages throughout the platform. And this adds to customer trust and you increase sales. This happened to me also in January with one of my low content books. So this is great for the credibility, right, and visibility of your book on Amazon. And as I mentioned, my first 11K month had a book with the orange tag, and it was so cool. So I just wanted to give you this information so you could understand a little bit more about how Amazon does this and why it's great for the customer, but also for you to understand that it's all about the subcategories. And that's why we talk about niching down. And Amazon doesn't always tell us when they create new subcategories and things like that. But as the information grows, Amazon has to be able to filter it for their customers too. So don't be afraid to set this as your goal. I think it's an incredible goal to have to get best-selling rank status. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.